This is where the journey to the Maldives starts. 3 flights to get there. We're checking in business class on Qatar Airways here in Philadelphia. Lines pretty easy, pretty short. We're on our way to the Maldives. Right here. Arriving now. About to take a 12.5-hour flight to the Maldives. We're actually flying into Qatar. It's going to be about a 12-hour and 40-minute flight, and we will see how it goes. It's on the Qatar Airways business class. So here we are right now on the plane. Here's the business class. There's Jazz. So these seats here actually are your business class seats. You have full screens. You have a media system. You have a charger, USB, all your different settings for your seat. You have a spot for your legs to lay down in, like this. Okay. And so they give you a signature drink. It's a mint drink. Supposed to be refreshing. They give you this little bag right here. So go ahead, open up your goodies bag. What's in there?
It has compression socks.
Okay. You got some compression socks.
And it has a mask.
A mask for your eyes.
And then we have facial mist. Your face is dry from being on here so long. And then we have a cream, a lip balm, and for your earplugs.
All right, so we will get tucked in. I will check in with you a little later once we. So they provided this pajama set, and then also what I realized is it actually has a little bit of a storage. You have your noise cancellation headset. You have a courtesy bottle of water. Entertainment. Camera views. Entertainment, movies, what it tastes like. It's their mint signature drink. Oh wow, very refreshing. A350 900 lane. That's what it is. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways. A350-900Q. Yep, noise cancellation headset also included in the business class. There's a remote control that you can use as well. Yeah, so we've been on for about 2 hours now, about to go take a bathroom break and see what this place looks like. Pretty nice size bathroom, LED lights. We have a little bit of hand lotion, hand soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, shaver, shaving cream, all those goodies. Nice size bathroom, literally. Move around in here. Changing table. Bobby has made my bed for me. Come back. Put a little mattress on for me. Pillow. So I just realized that in this pajama set is actually some husband's in the bathroom. They're in here setting up her bed. So when she gets back, her bed will be ready for her. I'm not sure if she's changing into her pajama set, but she definitely went to the restroom now, and here she comes. Set you up.
Yes.
So I went ahead and just placed my first meal, and what I ordered is there's a menu here, and I ordered assorted olives, artichoke dip, and a bruschetta with a crostini as an appetizer. And then for my main entree, I ordered beef and chicken sliders with coleslaw. So let's see how, she said about 20 minutes. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. You have yourself a dinner roll, some butter, olive oil, olives, hummus, bruschetta. First meal. Let's see. Okay, so the meal came out in under 30 minutes, as she said. Here's it is a chicken and beef slider. Alright, so they just came out now with dessert. It's a chocolate mousse with fresh raspberry, and I also opted for the decaf coffee, just because I'm about to go to sleep soon, and it is around 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. So we have about 10 more hours left on this flight. So after this, we will be taking a nap. Hey, good morning. So here we are on Qatar Airways on our way to Qatar. I slept the entire night. When I went to sleep last night, there was about 11 hours on our flight. So I'm just waking up right now for the first time. And what we have left is around an hour and a half. As soon as I woke up, went to the restroom, they immediately approached me on what did I want for breakfast. So I placed my breakfast order, and it's just been delivered. Here we have fresh croissant with butter and jam, fresh fruit, Greek yogurt, some granola, French toast, and fresh orange juice. Fresh squeezed. Here's our time of arrival. We're about an hour and 20 minutes away from Doha International Airport. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy breakfast. Mama D went to the restroom for the first time in the entire 10 hours of this original first flight. So yeah, we're heading to the airport. We have a 7-hour layover at the airport. And then after that, we'll be heading to the Maldives. So we get out of here in about an hour and a half, have a 7-hour layover, and then on to the Maldives we go. Hey guys, so here we are. We just arrived in Hamid International Airport. We flew in from Philadelphia on a 12.5-hour flight, but our pilot got us here in under 12, more like 11 and some change. So we're on our way to check into the airport hotel. We have a 7-hour layover here in Hamad International Airport that I must. So here we are approaching the famous lamp bear. There it is, your lamp bear. It is in the middle of the airport. You have our terminal A and B, and then you have your lamp bear. So very close to the lamp bear was your elevators right behind you. They're gonna take you to the hotel on the second floor. Okay, so we just went through the check-in process of the airport hotel. We did not have to go through security since we have a layover flight. All of our luggage is being transported to our new flight, and we just get a 7-hour rest here at the airport hotel. So here we are in room 141. There's a little sticker on the door showing you that the room was clean and sanitized. No one else has entered. Very nice looking room. Have a king size bed. Huge TV. Great views of, there it is again.
You have yours, right? Trying to give me one back.
There it is again. Your lamp bear. Full size bathroom with bidet. Double bowl sinks. And a very nice stand-up shower with rain coming from the top. I must say, for an airport hotel, I never thought of this to be this nice. Super impressive. Yeah, definitely worth it was around $315 US for 9 hours. It's super important, guys, if you are planning this trip, to book your room ahead of time. There was a long line outside of people trying to get a room, but they're totally 100% booked for today. So if you are planning this trip, super important, guys, book this room ahead of time. Hey, so here we are walking to reserve some sleeping pods for our return flight. We want to try something different. We already tried the airport hotel. We're going to check out the lounges, just so that way we could also give you a fair review on the hotel room versus the airport pods and sleeping lounges. So that's where we're headed now. Now these showers here, if you're staying in the hotel, they're free. But if you are not in the hotel and you just want to rest at a lounge, you could book any one of these showers here. You can book any shower here for $27.99 US. So you can go ahead and use this facility, and it will just cost you $27 US to use the shower if you are not booked in this hotel, right?
Yes, sir.
That's hey YouTube. So here we are right now. We're on our second flight to the Maldives. This flight here, we opted to take economy class, so that way we can give you a true experience of the first class versus economy class. So here we are boarding economy class. Here's the tunnel. We're looking for 35F. Here we are. 35F. So this aircraft is a Boeing 777 economy class Qatar Airways. There's an exit row there. Exit there. Entertainment is in the seat. So you still get your TV and entertainment. So we just arrived to the Maldives. and we are being let out on the tarmac and catching a shuttle bus to the airport.
Yeah, ya se llenado.
Alright, so we just cleared customs over here at the Maldives. We're about to go get on our seaplane. Thank you. It's decent. Get a top, baby.
Very much.
Thank you. All right, so here we are. We made it after how many hours? 33-hour travel. It was about 18 airplane and the rest layover. So here we are. Here's our room. This is a sunset villa. Sunset villa. 144.